f of x equals x2 plus ax when x is smaller or equal than -1, 2x plus 1 if x is greater than -1 and smaller or equal than 2, x plus b over x minus 1 if x is greater than 2 is always continuous. Find the values of a and b. F of x is a quadratic function when x is smaller than -1. It's a linear function when x is between -1 and 2. And it is a rational function whose denominator is not 0 when x is greater than 2. Therefore, f of x is always continuous if and only if it is continuous at x equals -1 and 2. F of -1, when x is -1, f of x is x2 plus ax, is -1 to the power of 2 plus a times -1. Limit of f of x as x approaches -1 from the left side is the same as limit of x2 plus ax as x approaches -1 from the left side, which is 1 minus a. And limit of f of x as x approaches -1 from the right side is limit of 2x plus 1 as x approaches -1 from the right side, and it is -1. F of x is continuous at -1 if 1 minus a and -1 are equal. This means a is equal to 2. At x equals 2, f of 2 is 5. When x is 2, f of x is 2x plus 1. Limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right side is the same as limit of x plus b over x minus 1 as x approaches 2 from the right side, which is 2 plus b. And limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left side is limit of 2x plus 1 as x approaches 2. This is 5. F of x is continuous at x equals 2 when 2 plus b is 5. This means b must be 3. Therefore, f of x is always continuous if a is 2 and b is 3. Thank you.